With the latest iOS 18 update, Apple finally allows users to hide and lock apps on iPhone. You no longer need a third-party app to hide and lock iPhone apps. You have to install iOS 18 Developer Beta to access this feature if you don't want to wait till September for the final release. You can click the I button or the link in the video description to find out how you can install it. With that out of the way, let's see how to lock and hide iPhone apps. To lock an app on iPhone, long press on its app icon and tap the Require Face ID option. Tap on Require Face ID and let it authenticate with your Face ID. And that's it, you have now logged the app on your iPhone. Some native apps like calendar, photos and music might show further information that apps with access to their content might show content without requiring any authentication. For example, if you have given Instagram access to your photos library, locking the Photos app might not hinder it from accessing your library. However, in my testing, accessing logged apps content inside other apps still requires you to authenticate with your Face ID. Now that you know how to lock iPhone apps, let's see how to hide apps on iPhone. Long press on the app you want to hide and tap the Require Face ID option. Now, choose the Hide and Require Face ID option. Your iPhone will authenticate with your Face ID and hide the app from home page. Apple has also said that when you hide an app, its content is not visible anywhere. You won't find it in the Spotlight search or see any notification from these apps, making it a foolproof app hiding solution. To find and open hidden apps on your iPhone, open the app library page and scroll down to the bottom. You will see a new hidden folder, tap on it and it will authenticate with your Face ID to show you the hidden apps. Now you can tap on an app to open it like any other app. Now let's talk about which apps you can and cannot lock and hide. As a rule of thumb, you can lock and hide apps on your iPhone that are not pre-installed on your device, including several first-party apps. You can also lock most pre-installed apps on your iPhone but not hide them. For example, you can lock the Photos app on your iPhone but not hide it. I think Apple has done this because these apps are necessary for other apps to work. There are also several pre-installed apps on your iPhone that you can neither lock or hide. The list of apps include Camera, Clock, Find My, Contacts, Map, Settings, and Watch. And that's all you need to know about locking and hiding apps on iPhone. I love that Apple has finally added this feature. It's a great way to keep your apps and data secure. Before you go, make sure to check out our video on the best iOS 18 features. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.